Hello, my dear students. I am your TLE teacher, Mrs. Arlene A. Valenzuela. At narito na naman tayo sa isang edition ng Telection. Sa part 2 ng ating video sa Understand Recycling, ating tinalakay ang definition of recycling at ang advantages nito. Kung mayroon kayong hindi naintindihan or nakalimutan sa video na to, maaari itong balik-balikan upang inyong mas maunawaan. Para sa part 3 na video ng Understand Recycling, ating tatalakayin ang two forms of recycling and the common materials used in recycling. Mayroon ba kayong ideya sa two forms of recycling? Pamilyar ba kayo sa mga recyclable materials? Tara na mga kateleksyon! At umpisa na natin ang pagtalakay sa lesson para sa video na to. Atin munang alamin ang mga objectives sa pagtalakay sa ating lesson sa araw na to. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to differentiate the two forms of recycling and determine the common materials used in recycling. Which of the two forms of recycling is hazardous to our environment? Which of the two forms should be recycled to save our environment? Ito ang mga mahalagang tanong na dapat nating malaman sa pagtalakay sa lesson na to. Para sa lesson na to, mayroon akong makakasama. Take it away, Julie!
Two forms of recycling. Number 1. Biodegradable waste. Waste materials which can be broken down into carbon dioxide, water, methane, or simple organic molecules by microorganisms and other living things by composting aerobic digestion, anaerobic digestion, or similar processes. Examples of biodegradable waste: vegetable and fruit peels, leaves and trunks, leftover food, dead animals, human and animal manure, paper, etc. Number 2. Non-biodegradable waste are those which cannot be decomposed or dissolved by natural agents. They remain on Earth for thousands of years without any degradation. Examples of non-biodegradable waste: glass, metal, plastic, textiles, batteries, etc. Non-biodegradable wastes can be managed by practicing the concept of 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Here are the common materials used in recycling. There are a lot of waste materials that can be recycled in cities as well as in many rural areas. The following are the lists of articles that are made from these recyclable materials. Number 1. Paper. It is a substance made from wood or other fibrous materials, usually used in writing, printing, and wrapping. Here are the products that can be made out of recyclable paper: paper woven basket, paper mache articles, paper beads, paper sculpture, boxes for gift wrapping, album covers, and paper bags. Number 2. Plastic. Plastic products include beverage bottles and containers commonly used for liquid goods and body care products. Here are the things that can be made out of plastic containers: planters, plant tags, plastic sculptures, and organizers. Number 3. Glass is one of the easiest materials to recycle because it can be easily crushed and ready to be melted. From glass bottles, we can make decanter, storage item terrariums, cut bottles, bent bottles, and glass tiles. Number 4. Fabric or textile is a flexible material made by creating an interlocking network of yarns or threads, which can be produced by spinning raw fibers into long and twisted lengths. Out of fabric scrap we can make quilting and patchwork projects, rag rugs, dollies, runners of hand stitches, circles of fabrics, stuffed toys, hair accessories, fabric flowers, and collage. With yarn waste, we can produce rugs, tapestries, embroidery, yarn dolls, crochet or knitted articles, and string art. And the last recyclable material is number 6, metal. Example of metal is food or drink cans made from aluminum and steel. Tin cans, which is made of metal, can be used to create canisters, storage bins, planters, baking tins, candle holders, kerosene lamps, metal art, and water catchers.